Right, you ready? Stop doing your hair.
Sorry.
Right. Hi guys, what's up guys? Oh, fuck.
Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to Half Pint FPV. So, I've got the day off of school today and my dad's got the day off of work. So we figured, let's go out droning. But first...
Something just like this.
One eternity later.
It's Knoll Park today, right?
I think we're going to Knoll Park, so which way we're heading.
So what's it like? How do you describe it?
It's a massive park. You just walk for ages and ages and ages. Loads of places. It's got hills in there.
Is it like
flat bits, there's trees.
Is it just...
No, not really. There's woodland, there's a bit of woodlands, there's bits with valleys and hills, there's paths, there's deer in there.
Nice.
Alright, you ready? Stop doing your hair.
Sorry.
Right. Hi guys, what's up guys? Oh, fuck. Come on, let's walk, we'll do some walking. Get your drone, we'll walk and talk.
Do one more.
Hi guys, we're here at Knoll Park. I'm with my son Daniel. This is Half Pint FPV. Say hello Daniel.
Hello Daniel.
What's up guys? We're here at Knoll Park. I'm here with my son Daniel. It's Half Pint FPV. Say hello Daniel.
Hi guys.
And we've come here before and there's loads of spots. This is new to Daniel. And then what we're going to do is we're going to see if we can find some deer and have a little fly around the trees. There's loads of different spots and gaps and bits we can fly. So yeah, let's see if we can do some nice flying. Here we go.
Good so far. Yeah, this is a new park to me. First opinions, looking lovely jubbly. Yeah, we're having some laughs in the car. We spent about an hour or so looking for somewhere to fly, but with no luck, we went to where we were going to go in the first place. Dad's been here a few times before. He says he absolutely loves this spot. Apparently there's deers, things like that.
There.
There's deers down there?
Yeah.
Nice, I'll show you in a minute guys. But yeah, a really nice spot. Hopefully we can get some good flying in. See you in a bit guys. So guys, I've just done about 2 flights. First flight, it just blacked out on me. Well, not blacked out, but screen went no signal, things like that. And I was having a really tough time flying it. So I landed, put new battery in. My dad watched me this time. He was like, oh yeah, you've definitely got some breakup issues. Gonna have a fly now. It's gonna see if we can try to get to the bottom of the issue. But yeah, it's a bit gutting because I love this new spot, but yeah, never mind. Hopefully we can get it sorted out. See you guys.
just like